Welcome to Applied Molecules. We're going to show today this product, our UV Putty, the 32-1. We're going to show repairing, this is a mold. And what we're finding is a lot of the molds, when used to mold, whether it's concrete or fiberglass, and they want to reuse the molds get damaged. And although we can fix the materials themselves, the material that comes out, if the product coming out of the mold isn't perfect, but a lot of times the molds get these wear marks on the edges as people are trying to get the new mold part out. So trying to work around the camera here a little bit. It's a little awkward, but essentially we apply the UV Putty, and then we use these applicators to get it put in place. Now the nice thing about the putty is because it is a solid, you can form it to match the surface and contours you need. This one's a little soft. I'm going to go to the harder one. And you don't have to do it all in one shot. All of our repair products can be applied over themselves, but I try to get close on one shot as we can to build the edge. Once applied, we can hit it with a light. It's about 6 seconds with direct light, about as close as you can get these lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, being a little wider area, we need to, make sure all areas get 6 seconds. But relatively quick repair. Just check and make sure it's cured. We can come back and knock down the high spots. And then what I do is hit it quick with sandpaper. It's a bit of a low spot there, right there on that corner. Needs to be built up a little bit. And get the harder tool. Get that edge built in. Now you can come back over and hit that with paint if you really wanted to, but that will be strong, adhere to the FRP, and give you a new mold surface. And it works great. We've had very good success with molded materials. Once again, Applied Molecules UV Putty, AM32-1.